Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. ये मेरी बहन है. This is my sister and we both are sick and we wanted to make a YouTube video. I wanted to make.
She wanted to make a video.
Yeah, so
and she forced me to sit here quietly.
Yes. So I'll be asking her some questions regarding my career.
Sorry.
I am a tarot reader and I wanted to ask her questions, like let's see what she knows about whatever I do. So I'll be asking her questions and then she'll be telling what she thinks
Look
of it.
how cute my cover is. I customized it by myself.
It's very cute. So I'll be asking her questions and then I'll be revealing the answers. Okay. So first of all, would you like to tell what tarot is?
It's a card intuition kind of thing.
Okay.
Like people ask questions and you do your intuition with cards and something shuffle and pull out some cards and kind of thing.
Kind of. It is based on psychological insights.
Astrology kind of. Not astrology, it is psychology.
No, it's like
Psychology?
When it started as a game, but then it evolved with time. Some people link it with astrology, some people link it with psychology, some people just take it as like something related to intuition. Yeah. So what do you think about the time frame? Like how long I have been doing tarot?
It's been more than 6 years because you started it when you were doing your B pharmacy, I guess.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
how
it's
long?
almost exactly 6 years. Yeah, this is right. Second question is, how did I first get into tarot? Like, why did I start reading tarot? You are not
Maybe because there was a family person which I don't want to talk about does these kind of things. So maybe or maybe by you got influenced by YouTube, Instagram and all. Maybe.
some part of it is true. So the thing is that I was sick at that time and I used to see things why I'm sick, all the astrological insight, but astrology was not my cup of tea at that time. I used to think this is very difficult. And second thing is, I used to like a guy and I wanted to know his feelings for me, and I used to watch,
Guy who?
I'll tell you later, and I used to watch a lot of videos.
Okay.
But every video of them used to be very positive. So I used to think there is something fish in this. So I just randomly ordered a deck of card
So
one day.
basically, mostly you get influenced by the YouTube videos also. no?
Yeah. Do you know, out of all the decks, what was my first deck?
It was it was the blue one.
Yeah, it was the
It
Rider
was the
Waite.
blue one.
Yeah. What do you think? How many decks I own right now?
3 to 4.
No, it's
Probably.
not 3 to 4. It's probably 5 or 6. I don't remember. The first one I owned. Second is which I gave you. Third is which I have. Fourth is in Delhi, and there is another Angel Guidance one. So five decks. What do you think? What's the most common question people ask me when they come to me for a reading?
What is their future gonna be like, or maybe related to their relationship status?
Yeah, this is somehow true. Most of the people ask me about what their boyfriend thinks of them, like major related to relationship. And what do you think? What kind of questions I hate the most?
The relationship ones.
No, the kind of questions which I hate the most is where people ask me about, will that person get their karma back or not, or will that person ever realize their mistake? This is the question I hate the most. And the questions where people just want to know the bad things about the other person, it's very something which I hate the most, because I use tarot as something wherein you like make yourself better, right? It's all about you, and most of the people just want the other person to change and they don't want to work on themselves. So this is what I hate the most. What do you think is the misconception people have about tarot?
That it is always that it always have to be positive. Probably.
Yes, a part of it, yes, but I think the misconception people have about tarot is it is like everything is set on stone. If I said yes, it means yes. If I said no, it means no. It is not as rigid as astrology. Astrology is also not rigid, but tarot is also not rigid. And people think that whatever I told them is the ultimate reality, like things cannot be changed, but this is not what tarot is about. Tarot is all about what is happening at that time and what efforts or steps you need to take to change things in your life. Another question is, what do you think is the biggest tarot related boundary I have with people?
Boundary?
Yes.
I don't know.
Like what boundaries I have with my clients.
Time limit, maybe.
No, the boundaries I have with people is with instant readings and with the payment, because I got into some
App.
No, I got into like on business relationships with people where people used to not pay me, where people used to exploit me. So I have this boundary of prepayment, and I have this boundary of that they have to book a slot before. Even if they want a slot that ultimate date, then the prices are different and the way things operate is different, because there used to be times when people used to act that they are very helpless and they wanted my time and my energy, and then used to end up exploiting me. So this is the boundary I have with people, with time and with bookings. And yeah, one more boundary I have is I tell everyone not to take readings every day. I do not do that. Everyday readings is very toxic thing. What do you think is the hardest part of being a tarot reader?
The time, maybe, or the payment, because you don't know. Abhi to you have like boundaries, no, कि you have to book appointment पहले से. जब ये ना तो you have maybe gotten appointments immediately.
No, the hardest part of being a tarot reader is when you tell people that this is what they need to work on themselves, but they are too toxically involved in situations that they just can't
Help
pull
it.
themselves out. Yeah, like my job is to tell them that whatever is happening in their life and put a reflection on that, right? But sometimes people aren't ready to accept that. Like if even if I tell them that this is the loop because of which you are stuck here and you have to do this to come out of this loop, but still next time also they will come back to me with the same questions, with the same mindset, which is okay. I don't judge them, but it's quite painful to watch them in the same loop. So yeah, that is it. How much do you think I have earned from my most expensive tarot bookings? आज तक एक client से जो मैंने एक booking लिया उससे सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा कितना कमाया मैंने?
Probably
2K.
हाँ.
No, it's not 2K. This is not Money Talks. I don't know Money Talks, but it was a little more than that.
And did this happen? Why I don't know about this?
Because then you will ask me for more gifts. This is the last question I'll be asking, because I don't know, we are sick, so we are not very energetic right now. Would you ever let me read your cards before making a major life decision? Like if you have to make a big decision, would you let me read your cards?
Of course I will. Of course. I do it right. मैं तो अभी भी यही करती हूँ. I ask about my future. I ask about my life. I ask about my college.
Yes, but the thing is, whatever comes in cards, I never tell her to follow that blindly, because at the end of the day I always tell you that you have to make in efforts, right? So whatever comes, the efforts should be from your end, even if the cards are very positive, even if the cards are very negative, everything
It all depends on yourself, no? What are you doing? Maybe you're asking a question. It can be changed after 10 days.
Yes, it's like right now things cannot be in your favor, but if you make changes, which is included in readings only, it's like if you make certain changes in your life, in the way you operate, in the way your nervous system feels, because it's all about you. It's a self-reflection tool rather than the other person's reflection or your career's reflection or your future's reflection. The future is the outcome, right? Everything is the outcome. Prediction is the outcome if you're taking a prediction. So yeah, it is all about you, and yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. This is what we had, and I hope you like this video. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Maybe
Bye-bye.
there's more video gonna come out, but or maybe not.
We'll see. Okay, bye bye.
बीमार है.